In this video, we're going to show you how the hash search function works inside of Neptune. So I'm logged into my Neptune here. In the top left, I'm going to click hash search. And here I can paste in a hash and see if I've already got that added and categorized inside of my Neptune database. So for example, I'm going to come into one of my files I previously reviewed here and just grab a quick hash. Select this one here. And then I'm going to come back into the hash search, paste that hash in here. So if you have a hash and you're just curious whether it's already added and assigned a category inside of Neptune, this is a quick way to do that. So once you search a hash, it'll show you the type of hash that it is and what the category assigned to that hash is. And it's also going to show you the source. So cybertip means that it's something that you've imported into Neptune. If it came from a Project Vic hash, for example, it'll show, Project Vic will show here. So just a quick way, if you have a hash and you think it's familiar, to just check and see if you've already got it in your Neptune database and quickly see what the category assigned to that image is to see if it's worth taking a further look at. And that's how the hash search feature works in Neptune. Thanks for watching.